Hey there, Tim and Air, Toolman back at you. So today's video is going to be about this TOUGHBUILT Journeyman's Electricians tool pouch. This does come with the clip tech, where you can clip on the version on there and put it on your belt. It also comes with a supplied shoulder strap.
Very shagadelic, baby. Yeah.
For the sake of the video, I'll leave it off and make it a little easier to move around. So this has, just like normal TOUGHBUILT stuff, it comes with a lot of options. It has 21 pockets or loops, and comes with a kickstand as well, so you can take that out and put it up on a table and set it up, which I really like about it. That's probably my favorite part about this.
No way!
Has a chain for your electrical tape and a bunch of different pockets in the back, and I'll put it over the overhead camera. I got one set up. So and it also has a tape measure deal on the front, and of course the loops for the shoulder strap, and a nice bottom on it. So it's really, really nice tool pouch. This tool pouch runs roughly about 35 to 40 bucks for the most part. I've seen it as much as 70 on different websites and stuff, but boy, some of the websites really mark it up quite a bit. This is the TOUGHBUILT Journeyman Electrician's tool pouch. This tool pouch is item number TBCT114. TBCT114, and just a really, really nice tool pouch. It has a loop in the front for you can carry all the way from a AA flashlight to a D cell flashlight in the loop, and it's kind of customizable for that. So it's pretty nice. So what my son-in-law, I'm setting this up for my son-in-law Trent, and kind of went out and got some stuff. Most of this came from Lowe's. So most of the prices I'm going to quote you are from Lowe's. So this right here is the Klein cutting and crimping tool. It's $29.97 at Lowe's. The number on this is 1005 SEN. 1005 SEN. Just a really, really nice grip on it. So I'll put that in one of the front pouches here. And then the next one is a 6-piece set, and the 6-piece set runs $99.99 at Lowe's. And it comes with the Klein wire strippers, very, very nice. Comes with the side cutters, and both got the nice grips on them. And comes with the really, really nice lineman pliers. Those are real nice as well. All got the nice smooth grips to them, which is pretty nice. And then also it comes with a really, really nice set of needle nose. Just machining on these is just really, really nice. So this all comes in a set with 2 screwdrivers. So all this set right here runs $99.99. The item number on this is 94126. 94126. So I'll put those in there, and you should be able to see this on the overhead when I get footage up there. So I was kind of placed this in there, and I did a weight on I've got my scale here, and I did the empty weight, and it was 1.89 pounds on the tool pouch just by itself, which is pretty decent. And so then we got some screwdrivers from TOUGHBUILT. These are the 1000 volt Electricians screwdrivers from TOUGHBUILT. Got the nice ends on them, really, really nice. Insulated on the side for 1000 volts. This, I've only really seen this set right now on AliExpress. I think they're trying to get their stuff out into different stores and not just Lowe's. So it's just kind of what I heard around the grapevine. So hopefully that's true, and then they'll pick them up and maybe get it in like Home Depot, or I have a Home Depot and a Lowe's local, so I'm hoping maybe they get them at Home Depot. Again, and the screwdriver set is TBH5 TBH5S3-N, TBH5S3N. And this is a three-piece set. Runs about $35 on AliExpress. I've seen a lot of guys. It's called the original Tough Built Chat Facebook page because I started it when there was actually no other pages out, and it's got almost 9,000 members now. So if you want to join up to that, just click on Facebook and get on there, and you should be able to become a member, and you can get a bunch of info on Tough Built tools. So, but also obviously also like Klein tools as well. The next tool is actually a 14-in-1 screwdriver. Now this one is 32303, and it runs about $21.97 at Lowe's. It's got several different. I won't bore you with what kind of bits there are. This is the 14-in-1 adjustable, so you can actually push this in and make it shorter or longer and take this out. That's the nice thing about it. You can take this out. You can put this is the next tool, and this is the 9-in-1 impact flip socket from Klein. 32934 is the item number on this, and it goes all the way from 1/4 to 3/4. I have one of these at work, and I work as a pharmaceutical manufacturing maintenance person, and I use this almost every day. Fantastic tool. But if you take the other piece out of the screwdriver and get this, and this 9-in-1 is $29.97 at Lowe's just by itself. And I think they just came out with a metric version of this. Don't hold me to that, but I think it seemed like I heard it on Facebook or something like that. So that's pretty cool if they did. And you can put that on there and make it a super screwdriver. And you can pull this bit back up a little bit and take the screwdriver bit and stick it in there and make it a super screwdriver, which is super cool. So I really like that, and a lot of people are doing that. But it's going to run you about $52 for all that. So if you want to do something like that, but to have these two tools and be able to do a whole bunch of stuff with them is really nice. So I put that all in there, and all that in the tool pouch. Let's zero out my scale. 7.48 pounds on the scale, which is pretty nice. So it's not real heavy. You could still, if you can handle 7 pounds on your belt loop, you may not be too bad with that. But also, like I said, you can take this off and lay it on, set it up right on a table, and use your shoulder strap if you wanted to as well. So I'm setting it up for my son-in-law Trent, and he should be able to do quite a bit of stuff with this. If there's anything that I missed on here, that he's not a journeyman electrician. He just wanted to be able to do some electrical stuff around the house. He likes quality tools like I do, so figured we can get him set up with it. If you see something that you think I need to put in here, let me know down in the comments. And I appreciate that if you give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe and all that good stuff. If you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon, you get notified when I post a new video or go live. This is Tim and Area Toolman back at you.
I'll be back.